subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
The Chinese smartphone maker Vivo has launched its new affordable U-series smartphone in India called Vivo U10. The company has launched this model to attract the youth by offering them a dedicated ultra game mode and a triple camera setup at an affordable price. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo U10 comes featured by 6.35-inch HD+ Halo FullView Display with a large 19.5:9 aspect ratio and 89% screen to body ratio. Under the hood, the smartphone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chipset paired with 2 GHz octa-core processor and Adreno 610 GPU. The phone packs with 3 or 4 GB of RAM and 32 or 64 GB of inbuilt storage that can be further expandable up to 256 GB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Vivo U10 comes equipped by triple camera setup on the rear, which houses a 13 megapixel primary camera with f2.2 aperture plus 8 megapixel secondary camera with 120-degree super wide angle lens plus 2 megapixel third camera for portrait bokeh effect, and there is also an LED flash paired with the rear cameras. For selfies, there is an 8 megapixel camera on the front under the notch with f1.8 aperture. On the software front, the Vivo U10 runs on Android 9 Pie out of the box based on the top of Funtouch OS 9.1. The phone comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh of battery with 18 watts fast charging support via micro USB port. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor along with the face unlock system for user security. Now, talking about the pricing and availability, the Vivo U10 has been priced in India for 3GB RAM plus 32GB storage variant at 8,990 Indian rupees, which roughly translates to $127 US. For 3GB RAM plus 64GB storage variant is priced at 9,990 Indian rupees, which roughly translates to $140 US. And the higher variant with 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage variant is priced at 10,990 Indian rupees, which roughly translates to $155 US. All these smartphone models will go on sale in India through Amazon and their official Vivo website starting from September 29th. The Vivo U10 will be available in electric blue and thunder black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo U10 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.